Saturday morning, we stayed home today. We had some work to do here, and the black flies are getting bad at the cottage. So my hubby's filling up the pool. It's surprisingly clean. We just took the cover off. It's over there drying out. But I feel some rain coming. So here's what we do every year. We fill it from the creek because it's free water. We're on well water here, so we can't really use the well water to fill the pool because that would take a long time. Here's some of my greenhouse plants that survived the winter. Took them out yesterday. And here's the hose going here. Very noisy. And this is where we're filling it up from. That's about it. Almost, actually, that's only been about 30 minutes, not even. Yeah. Going fast. Okay. That's our project for today. Tomorrow we're doing a 95th birthday drive-by celebration, so I'm working on some cards for that. It should be fun. Okay, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.